Touching up galvanizing is not just about painting the steel silver. When you do it wrong, the steel can start to rust within months. When galvanized steel is damaged during drilling or welding, the zinc coating is broken. This damaged steel can start to rust fast, especially near the coast. Here's the correct way to repair galvanizing. First, clean away the area properly, remove dirt, oil and rust. Then roughen the surface with a wire brush or light sanding. The repair coating needs something to grip. Then apply a zinc-rich repair product like GalvPatch or SteelGuard and make sure the coating is thick enough. If you touch it up properly, the repair will last years. If you use cheap silver spray, you're wasting your time. Follow Galvatech for more galvanizing basics that all fabricators should know.